prowling through labyrinthine streets of Victorian Edinburgh, where secrets lurk in every shadowy corner a figure emerges. Not a Cape Crusader or a clandestine spy, but a doctor. A doctor with an uncanny knack for solving mysteries. This, dear listeners, is the story of Dr. Joseph Bell. Bell was not just an ordinary physician. His keen eye for detail and his razor-sharp wit set him apart. A professor at the University of Edinburgh's medical school, he was known for his remarkable diagnostic skills, often deducing a patient's occupation, habits, and ailments. Just a cursory glance among the sea of awestruck students at a young Arthur Conan Doyle, observing every word, every gesture, and every deduction. Little did he know that these would forever change his life in the landscape of detective fiction. Bell's methods were uncannily similar to those of literature's greatest detectives, Sherlock Holmes, the art of deduction, the science of observation, and the ability to read the story hidden in the smallest details. All these were the hallmarks of Bell's diagnostic prowess, and they found a new life in the character of Holmes. But Bell's influence didn't end up with inspiring a legendary character. His methods found a place outside the confines of the medical school in the pages of a book. They were adopted by law enforcement, shaping the nascent field of forensic science. Bell himself was consulted on numerous criminal cases, his keen observational skills proven invaluable in the pursuit of justice. Today, the spirit of Dr. Joseph Bell's detective genius continues to echo through the halls of medical schools and crime labs. His legacy is not just in the fictional detective he inspired, but in the real-world application of his methods. In the end, he gave us more than just Sherlock Holmes. He gave us a new way of seeing the world, of looking beyond the obvious, of uncovering the truth hidden in plain sight. So as we walk the streets of modern Edinburgh, we carry with us a piece of its past, a piece of Dr. Joseph Bell's enduring legacy. A reminder that sometimes reality can indeed be as captivating, as intriguing, and as mysterious as fiction. With fun friggin' facts, we bring you tales of history's unsung heroes, the marvels of science and the enigmas of the past. Subscribe and join us as we delve deeper into the fascinating world that surrounds us.